Hello, welcome to the Industrial Technology program offered here at Southeastern. I'm going to give you guys some basic information you need to know to excel in our program or to make the decision to join our program. What do we focus on? We focus on manufacturing, production, and refining, and anything that encompasses those three aspects, whether it be testing materials, whether it's designing products, whether it's creating that product. We want our students to know all the stages and how to apply code, standards, and procedures to complete a job. We have 4 different concentrations in our program, but each of these are real world ready, meaning that once you graduate, you're going to be ready to work in a professional environment, whether it be in business, industry, education, government. You're going to know how to look up codes, follow those standards, and again, just work with these organizations to complete a task. Our 4 concentrations are drafting and design, supervision, automated system, and welding technology. Each are equally important, but focus on a different aspect of manufacturing or production. Drafting and design is the planning stage. In this concentration, you're going to learn how to create blueprints, how to work with CAD software, how to create a set list of plans for people to follow, and how to communicate those plans to other people. With supervision, you're learning how to manage a team or a group of people to accomplish a task. You're going to learn how to, again, follow procedures, how to set up goals to meet, and how to move a project along safely and efficiently. Automated systems is learning how to deal with larger equipment like robots, conveyor belts, CNC machines, how to program these machines, how to maintenance these machines. With welding technology, this is our newest concentration, one we're very excited about, but we are not focusing on creating welders. We are focusing on creating welding inspectors or welding supervisors. Within this program, when you complete it, you will take either the CWI exam or the CWS exam, which is the Certified Welding Inspector or the Certified Welding Supervisor exam. And once you have completed that examination, then you can apply for your doctoral degree. This is just a testament of how we make our students be real world ready and how we are just setting them up for success in a professional working environment. Our main goal is to improve our students. We want our students to be knowledgeable. We want them to know how to talk in a professional setting, how to work with government and different organizations. We want them to know exactly what they are doing once they graduate. So I hope you choose our program and that I see you soon.